Parker Industrial Nitrogen Gas Membrane Modules. Continuous, reliable performance with long lifetime and smallest footprint. Don't buy gas, make it. Nitrogen gas is used in a variety of industries. It is inert, colourless and odourless. It is used to exclude ambient air to prevent, for example, fire and explosion by displacing oxygen. Nitrogen gas is extracted from the very air we breathe. At sea level, the atmosphere contains approximately 78% nitrogen, with oxygen making up most of the rest. Parker has developed a method of extracting nitrogen from the atmosphere using standard factory compressed air and hollow fibre membranes. This allows users to make nitrogen on their own premises. Hollow fibre membranes can separate oxygen from nitrogen by molecular size and permeation kinetics. When compressed air, starting from a pressure of 4 bar G, is passed through the fibres, faster gases such as oxygen permeate through, whilst slower gases such as nitrogen are retained within the fibre. The hollow fibre membranes are bonded into either aluminium or stainless steel tubes to produce a membrane module. By varying the length and diameter of the module, as well as the fibre content, a huge range of nitrogen flow rates and purities can be achieved. The membrane modules are multiplied and piped together to create skid packages to meet the flow rate and purity that the user's application requires. Parker's SmartFluxx and HighFlux membrane modules use the most permeable membranes with the lightest weight and smallest footprint. Meaning, fewer Parker modules are required for the same flow rate and purity. When built into skid packages, using SmartFluxx and HighFlux membrane modules, the systems require less modules and space, meaning also less pipework, fittings, and cost. The composition of Parker's polymer fibres is unique, resulting in long life and stable performance throughout the operational life of the membranes. Unlike competitor membrane modules, Parker's don't require the use of an inlet heater. A heater creates fibre wear, resulting in even more heat required to achieve flow and purity, so the membrane life is short. Inlet heaters result in limited lifetime of membranes due to high temperature, extended startup time until necessary temperature is reached, risk of damage or fire to downstream equipment due to sparking or high temperature overshoot during startup of heater, and additional energy use. Membrane modules need to be protected from the usual contaminants found in compressed air. Contaminants like oil, water, particulate, and ozone all need to be removed or reduced. Parker are the only manufacturer that can provide membrane modules as well as a full compressed air pre-treatment package. An extended warranty of 2 years is available when combining Parker membrane modules with a Parker compressed air pre-treatment package. To summarize, Parker membrane modules have highly permeable fibres that can use lower air pressures, saving energy. There is no drop-off in performance over time. They have a long life of over 10 years. No requirement of an energy-consuming inlet heater. Fewer fibres are needed, meaning smaller modules, saving space, weight, and cost. The module's fibres have large diameters of 0.5 millimeters, so are more resistant to blocking. Depending on model, they have a wide inlet air temperature range, between 5 and 60 degrees centigrade, with inlet pressures from 4 bar G, and very low pressure drop of less than 0.2 bar G. They are versatile, meaning they can be mounted in any orientation. Membrane modules are used for applications in a wide range of market sectors, including oil and gas, fire prevention, marine, mining, aerospace, food and beverage, corrosion prevention, training and fitness. Parker has over 30 years gas separation membrane R&D and manufacturing experience, including supplying membrane modules to one of the most stringent, exacting, regulated and demanding market sectors, aerospace, where nitrogen is used for onboard aircraft fuel tank inert gas blanketing, when absolute reliability is paramount. Parker Industrial Nitrogen Gas Membrane Modules. Continuous, reliable performance with long lifetime and smallest footprint. Don't buy gas, make it.